The main area that you need to understand is the area that concerns the editing and adding of content, new content to the site. Each article that you add to your site will be placed inside a category. So by clicking on the content menu, the first thing we're going to have a look at is the category manager. Most sites will only require a very simple single level category system, but Joomla has the ability to nest categories, so a category of a category of a category, and this can be used to make some very complex layouts. But as I stressed before, most simple situations of a main company magazine style site, perhaps with a blog feature, perhaps with a forum feature, we're able to use just a single level or possibly even a second level category system. Again, usually we'll set the category system up for you, and then all you need to do is understand its role in helping you add new content to the site. Let's go back and have a look at the article manager now. This is the main area that you will be working in. It's where you add, delete, edit content that's on your site. All of the articles that you add to your site will be visible and accessible from this section. As your site grows, especially the blog element for example, you'll find that there are some really great filter sections on the left hand side over here to help you access that content quickly. So you can first of all filter by status, so is it published yet, is it unpublished? Archive means it's been published and it's gone past the published date, so you've taken it out. Trashed is the rubbish, and all of it obviously is unfiltered. So a lot of filter options there. Next we look at the category system. You can filter by category. Again, with a blog situation, we quite often have a single level category set up where the blog category is quite easy to pull up, and then you can look at the blog content. Site content is another category we use a lot, because then that obviously will relate to your main site content, like your pages for example. And then these other ones, the author one perhaps could be useful if you've got a multiple author site, but otherwise you'll tend to find that most of it, your filtering is done on the status and category level. Other features over here are the sort features, so you can sort by whatever feature you want, which is basically all of the fields that are listed along the top here. So sort by order level, by status, by title, the name of the actual article, by category, and so on. You can decide whether that should be an ascending or a descending order, and you can decide how many results you view on a page at one time. So again, a lot of filter features and a lot of control over how that content is presented to you.